guys, Sprite here, back again to talk more about the new Epson SureColor F570. So this is the step up into wide format printing. Hopefully by now you've seen some of the videos that David and I have put out showing you how to load the ink, load the paper, load the driver, print and press. So now let's talk about why you want this printer. Well, like I said, this is the next step into wide format. So if you have a desktop printer, you're usually able to print only about 13 inches wide. Not only can this printer do 24 inches in width, it can go as long as you need it to be, which is fantastic. That opens up the avenue for you to do large format metal, large format glass. We got some of our new textured products that are in the wider format. We've got car mats, you can do bigger t-shirts, all kinds of fun stuff. So let's talk about some more selling points of this great printer. So first off, it's really easy to use. It's significantly cheaper than the next step up into the wide format printer. The RIP allows for fast increased print productivity. You have a bulk ink system that's really easy to fill. The driver is simplified. It prints directly from your graphics program. It has profiles for both hard and soft substrates. It has third-party profiles that are available. There's more capability at a lower cost. Another great feature of this printer is doing large production runs. So you can group a large setting of, let's say, mugs and print it all out. That's going to be a lot more cost effective for you. So be sure to call your Condé account representative today to find out all about this great step into wide format printing. This is Sprite from Condé Systems. See you soon.